I would, gain weight, lose some weight, and then gain weight again.
42-year-old June Zimmerman has struggled with her weight her entire life, at one point reaching 200 pounds.
Even though I would lose weight, I would always be chunky and thick.
She says that all changed when she went on a new European diet called Ideal Protein 4 months ago, which was approved by the FDA in January of 2008. Now June has a hard body, measuring 32, 24, 33.
So now I have a flat stomach, and I haven't had that since I was 13 on swim team.
We can eat beautifully, we can exercise, all we want, but if your chemistry is not working well, then those things really might not help.
Lisa Shaker-Knopp is a certified health coach and says in order to lose weight effectively, your pancreas must work efficiently. That means staying away from carbs, fats, and sugars, and concentrating on just the right amount of pure protein.
Our protocol is not a hyper-protein diet. It is based on a minimum requirement of protein for wellness, for vitality, for life force.
That pure protein is in these packets, along with 9 essential amino acids. Knopp says the diet pushes your body into ketosis, a fat-burning stage.
So if I eat a little packet of my protein and it's a juice, it is the same to my body chemically as if I was to eat a piece of fish or chicken or turkey.
There's nothing magic here, but there's also nothing harmful.
Jamie Norman, a USF nutritionist, looked at the ingredients in the Ideal Protein packets and wasn't concerned. But she strongly disagrees with the diet's recommendation of cutting down on exercise.
I have a problem with any diet regimen that would ever encourage people to decrease their physical activity.
Norman also warns not everyone who goes on the diet will look like June. She believes June built all that muscle while she was heavier.
You can't eat protein, drink protein, and build muscle. That's not how the body works. The only way to build muscle mass is to work the muscles. What I suspect is that she had exercised, had all that nice lean muscle, but it was hidden underneath fat.
Still, June's success is impressive. She's lost 47 inches, 31 pounds, and 11% in fat. She's gained 13% in muscle, and her energy level has never been better.
It's the best fountain of youth I've ever found.
Now, there are 4 phases in the Ideal Protein diet, which includes teaching about proper food combining. To learn more, go to our website, abcactionnews.com, and look under links and